Hi guys, welcome back. It's dinner time, so I think we're in quarantine still. 2 more weeks, so we're. I'm just trying to fix me up a dinner. Um, I have a Longaniza. It's a Spanish sausage, like you know, just like a chorizo. Similar to chorizo. I have a brown rice. Okay, we got. I'm going to wash that a little bit. I have little fresh green beans. I have, you know, the red onion for the COVID-19. That's it, and I'm gonna start it. All right. Let me put this camera here so you can see it. All right. Okay, we're ready. We're gonna peel this one up first, the red onion. All right. Can you see it from there? Let me move this one. All right. Just go a little bit, put it right on the garbage disposal. Just a little bit red onion, That's all I gotta do. Just a little bit, not much. All you gotta do is saute the Longaniza in there. All right. And then that's all you gotta do. I want, I want something nice. We're in quarantine. I hate to go out there and buy food, and I don't want to waste money. Financially, I'm really, I'm really doing savings. I don't want to waste money. So you pour, of course, my favorite is an organic olive oil. All right, turn this on. All right, I got that on. All right, we're ready to rock here. Get it hot. But first, before it gets hot, I want to go ahead and do my washing of the brown rice. Did I say brown rice? I think I said brown rice. All right. Put a little water. Get it, just boil it. That's all it is. All right. So now what we're doing is I'll put that back. I got that red onion right there, green beans, fresh. Get it hot first, and then I'm gonna go just get it hot a little bit, and then I'm gonna put this red onion here. All right. Yeah. It's an easy thing, easy. All right. All right. Let me wash this one here. All right. Let me wash it. Oh, it's really getting. You see that fire right there? All right. Put that back there a little bit. Wash this cutting board, because it's you don't want it. You want it dirty, you know. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start. Just blogging, man. Just blogging. All right. Now let me put this back. I did this. Put it right there. Corner. All right. Nice and hot. All right. Oh, I love this Longaniza. It's a Spanish sausage, and it's really, really good. All right, we got our oil real hot. I love the casing too. You could just cook the casing and then eat it right there. I mean, of course, you're gonna saute it. Mm. Yeah. At home, you can do anything you want. At work, you have to put underneath. You have to put a towel so it won't move. Your cutting board, you didn't get cut. But hey, it's your house, man. You can do whatever you want. That's all you gotta do. Nobody can tell you, hey, put some towel underneath your cutting board. This is your house, man. Do whatever you want. You have the freedom to do it. You know, you do have the freedom to do it. I don't even have the sanitizer or anything for to wash my hands because it's my house. You can do anything. That thing. Okay, right here. Sausage, peppers, All right, let's get it hot. Whoa! Now I want to put this on the side while I'll saute the onion first. Caramelize it a little bit, Nice. All right. Caramelize the onion. See, you can beat that, man. You can beat it. I used to do this all the time before, cooking, vlogging, and all that. And I left, I quit vlogging because I got a job, and now I miss all the fun, and I used to have a lot of subscribers before. Now all the subscriber is gone. I gotta build it up again, All right. Do you see that? Hey, that's nice. Yeah, we're gonna be vlogging soon. A lot of stuff. Ooh, nice. Yeah, I like to do this. I mean, I don't want to go outside and go out there and maybe spend like $17-18 on food. I mean, I could go out in the grocery shop and buy for $10 and feed me for like a week. All right. I'm gonna cook the vegetable first because they're harder. I think the green beans is blanched already. Right there. Oh my God. All right. Some peppers. And a little bit salt because you don't want no salt. I mean, you want some. I mean, salt is not good for you, man. Salt is not good for you, I mean, sometimes it's good, but high blood pressure. All right, put the Longaniza. One is tough. You don't want to get in there. All right, just put it in there later on. My stepdaughter is going to clean that right there. Okay, now I'm gonna put this back. God, I love cooking. I love cooking, vlogging, and cooking. What do you think about my shirt? Look at my shirt. What is that? Jimmy? Jimi Hendrix? Jimmy, bad dude, man. Bad dude. All right. Ooh, brown rice is. Yeah, all we gotta do is put some water in the brown rice, and that's it. All we gotta do. Man. Yeah. Actually, I don't like this COVID-19 and all that. Oh, wash it first. But what can we say? I mean, you can do anything. You just gotta follow the governor's ordinance. Look at that. Oh, that was for the picture was for what do you call this? Thumbnail. All right. Oh, that's good. Look at that. All right. That's so. I don't know why I did that, but it's just blogging, man. Blogging. Just sharing my stuff to you guys, so you guys will save money and cook at home, not go outside Oh my God, this is so good. You know what? This is what we call street food, you know? Street food. That's what I'm gonna title this. Street food at home, you know? Cooking at home. Cooking street food at home. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. I just like to do this. Share it to you guys. Look at that. That is good. Alright. Look at that. It's nice. Street food. Nice, huh? Very nice. Oh yeah. Look at that. The brown rice is getting crazy, man. It's getting crazy. It's getting smelling good too, you know? Smelling good. I like that. Yeah, but you like my Jimi Hendrix shirt? Really nice, is it? Yeah. All right, now let me put a little water on this one here. All right, just a little water. All right. All right. Street food. Cooking street food in my own home. Oh my God, look at that smell. Yes, look at it. It's good. It's really good, man. It's really good. I love it. I love. Yes. At least you're gonna follow this and see what's up. All right, let me just rinse it up with water a little bit. Yeah. Oh, I'm not gonna keep putting on the camera on my face. I want you to concentrate on this food here. All right. Oh man, that's nice. That is nice. Longaniza with little green beans, fresh green beans. What else? Red onion, and then just a salt and pepper. That's it. With the brown rice, you can't go wrong with the food tonight. You know? I think I'm planning to go to Canada too. You know, I'm planning to go to Canada. Just go what their culture out there. Just vlogging. You know, if this, you know, but you gotta stay home first. COVID, you know. COVID-19. It's not fun, you know. A lot of people out there are bad, you know. Oh, yeah, it's nice. The top. Looks nice. That's nice. That's done. That's it. Done it all. Nice. So this is what we call street food. The street food. I love to cook street food, you know. They'll say, well, what are you? Are you just walking around the street and then find out the recipe? No. It's just straight food with in the street. Straight food on the street. Yeah. And then you got a brown rice. Yeah, that's it. But I still love my shirt, man. Jimi Hendrix. Yeah. Oh, so. All right, time to turn it off. That's done. Let it rest right there. It's done. All right. Oh, I'm just waiting for my brown rice. Brown rice is not bad at all. Well, I did went outside a while ago because I I gained like another 2 pounds, and I walk around and then run around, exercise a little bit, and I said, hey, this is good, and it helped me a little bit, and I got my heartbeat. I raised my heartbeat like 110, 115 beats per minute. So I said, that's good enough. I walk around, run around, do some exercise, do some, yeah. All right. I'm just gonna. Now, the trick about rice is that you find a pan, a lid, okay? Let it close a little bit, and then any cook out there or chef knows, and you just turn it on and let it steam. Cook it on the steam, on his own steam, and that's it. That's done. And guys, we live it here. This is it, and we'll see you next time. I'm gonna cook again, or go somewhere else blogging. All right. I hope you have a wonderful night. All right. We'll see you. That's what accomplishment. Street food, longaniza with green beans, red onion, salt and pepper. All right. See you guys.